Hey, I'm excited to let you know that next Monday will be our 100th video, our cooking video here in Kuma's kitchen. Now it's been just under a year and we've got 100 videos in already, so I'm really happy about that. I love sharing these recipes with you. These are recipes that are very dear to me, and therefore sharing them with you, it's a very special feeling. The reality is that it costs me money to do this. It costs me money and time, and I'm having to find a way to budget this. So one of the things I don't want to do is I don't want to be putting ads and cluttering up Kuma's kitchen with ads. To me, that just breaks the flow when you're learning how to cook something. You don't want an ad popping up. This is where Patreon comes in. Now, I'm just joined Patreon, and Patreon is this fantastic service that brings patrons and creators together. It allows patrons to basically support a creator they really like, and it allows us creators, if they have some funds, that we can actually keep doing this, and this is what I love about it. So, this is basically my invitation. I don't want this to be an obligation, please. I love your support, just the fact that you're watching my cooking videos, the fact that you give me all that great feedback on YouTube and Facebook. That to me is enough. All I'm asking is please go over, have a look at my Patreon channel, see the rewards that I'm giving to people who become patrons over there, and decide for yourself. If it's something that you'd like to do, fantastic. If it's not, that's okay too. I still appreciate everything that you've done just by watching my videos, just by getting involved and you know, all the back and forth engagement that we have. So if you do want to go, and please do at least go over and have a look and decide for yourself what you'd like to do. It's patreon.com, that's patreon.com/Kuma's Kitchen. No apostrophe or anything like that, it's just one big word, Kuma's Kitchen. All right, so please go over and have a look, see what you think. Let me know. Let me know what you think about it. Hopefully this is something that you agree with at least. Even if you can't get involved, please don't feel obligated. But do keep coming and watching, because we got way more cooking videos coming. So many more good ones. I've got some fantastic ones lined up for the fall, the minute it starts to cool down again. All right? So I'll see you back in Kuma's Kitchen.